Correctly adding PayPal to system.io is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, log in to your system.io account. Now, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Payment Gateways. Now locate the PayPal option and click on Connect. You will be redirected to a PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal account credentials and log in. If prompted, authorize system.io to access your PayPal account. Once connected, you will see a section titled API Access. Now, click on the Manage API Credentials link. This will take you to your PayPal account settings. Under API Access, click on Manage API Credentials. Then select Request API Signature and choose MVP or SOAP API integration. Click Agree and Submit. You will receive a username, password, and signature. Go back to your system.io payment gateway settings. Paste the username, password, and signature into the corresponding fields. Lastly, click on Save.